stop guessing on how to solve focus stealing and shelf freezes in the Cosmic desktop. This is exactly how you beat these bugs without failing once. Most other tutorials are confusing or just plain wrong because they tell you to wait for an update that might be months away. But as of January 2026, the Epic 1 release still has these critical deadlocks that you need to fix now. Before we enter the terminal, you need to understand the logic of the modular compositor, or you will just get stuck in a loop of force rebooting your machine and losing your work. We're going to do this hand in hand and step by step, so it is impossible for your desktop to lock up again. Here at Rexish, we are the authority on these Rust-based Linux fixes that the official wikis haven't fully documented yet. First, open your Cosmic settings and navigate to Window Management to ensure Cursor Follows Focus is toggled off, as this is a primary trigger for the focus jumping bug where your active window loses priority immediately after you click it. If your shell is completely frozen but the mouse still moves, the issue is usually a memory leak in the app library or a hung tiling process. The secret trick that other creators missed is that you do not need a hard reset. Instead, press Ctrl plus Alt plus F3 to enter a TTY and run pil fcosmic app library, followed by pil fcosmic panel, to instantly reset the UI components without killing your running applications. This works because Cosmic's modular architecture allows the top bar and launcher to crash and restart independently of your open windows. For those on NVIDIA cards, you must also disable variable refresh